Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope you're all doing well. First things first, before we get started, please go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Excuse me, I'm a little congested today. Okay, now I am back with the 10x income system. Okay, this system is the buzz. I mean, it is fire, let me tell you. Okay, I've been getting a lot of inquiries on it, and if you've been following me, I have some results from just sharing this opportunity. I think it's amazing. This program is an all-in-one done-for-you system, and when they say done for you, they literally mean done for you. They're going to set up your website. Everybody has their own website that's coded to them, and that will be linked to your payment processor. So it's not going to be set up instantly. It may take a few days to get your system set up, but they're going to do that for you. And then they're also going to do the marketing for you. They're going to take your link of a page just like this. We all get this same page, okay? And they're going to place ads, Google ads, Bing ads, those type of ads where people are searching for us. That's the difference. All of our links will be in a rotator. So that's why the sales will come randomly at different times, depending on what package you select. That will put you will get more visibility in the rotator. Okay, so unlimited $297 commissions paid instantly. Okay, now there's a few steps you have to take, just 3 steps to get your system up. This system is $297 one time, and then you're going to pay $19.95 a month for your website, because it does have to be hosted. Okay, and then you just pick your traffic package, and of course you can buy multiple traffic packages, all right, at your leisure. So pretty much that's it. You're up and running, guys. You just have to wait for your link to be emailed to you. Okay, so you get an email from 10x Income System with your URL. That will be a delay, so be patient with this. This is a new system. I don't think she was aware that it was just going to blow up like this. Okay, so just be patient and you will get your link. So if you're in a hurry, don't sign up. Okay, but in my opinion, if you waited this long to get an opportunity like this, what is it just to wait a few more days? Okay, so no experience is required, no technical skills needed, because they're going to do that for you. Now, what I want to touch on, I do have some results I want to show you from me, and then I want to show you some team results in our Facebook group where people are getting sales every day. People are, it's just happening. Okay, just sharing this alone without even the traffic kicking in, because it's attractive. Okay, people that haven't made money online realize the marketing. Just know that marketing is the key. That's the key. It's not that, you know, some people do have a following, some people have an email list. Yes, they do. However, you still have to market your program. It doesn't matter what you join, even if it wasn't this, whatever you're promoting, tea, weight loss products, whatever it is, you have to do the promoting, whether it's going to be free traffic or paid traffic, paid advertising. Okay, it's got to be done, some form of fashion. So this takes that big challenge away from you, because they will do the marketing for you. I just want to touch on something though, just to give you guys some clarity. Typically, as an internet marketer, I've been doing this for a while, we use paid advertising. Okay, and solo ads is a very big deal for us. So that's typically what we use. That's the main thing. Of course, you have text message marketing, postcard marketing, all those things. But to get instant traffic is typically the solo ads. So I kind of just want to show you a platform in comparison, so to speak, but different. But so you can see what you would typically be paying for a solo ad. And a solo ad is where a vendor is going to send out one email blast to their list of people that might be interested in your opportunity. They could be seekers, they could be buyers, but at any rate, it's an email. that's going to go out, and the only thing they're going to guarantee is the clicks, the visitors. They're going to send X amount of visitors to your link. They can't guarantee who's going to buy. Same thing here. But one of the main differences is with our advertising with the 10X income system is the people are looking for us. They're actually going to the Google search engine, okay? They're searching for how to make money online, work from home, specific keywords that's going to drive them to our link. So we are the hunted in this example, okay? And it's a bigger audience because it's over 100,000 people every month looking to make money online versus just one email blast to a group of people that may open their email. They may not open their email. It may go to spam, or it just may not be the offer for them. It's a lot of variables in that equation, right? Whereas Google ads, being ads, people are actually live typing in what they're looking for, and then it pops up, and we just happen to be in that mix. Okay, so I hope you get some clarity with what I'm saying here. So I just want to give you a quick look at something that I want to bring to your attention if you use solo ads. And of course I do it. I just want you to know the difference. So I'm not saying there's a problem with solo ads. There's some of them that aren't created equal. Sometimes you get bots, but I just want you to kind of see the comparison, so to speak, because people are maybe be concerned about, well, what type of traffic are you getting? Google ads. That's I would bet on, if I could use this traffic from the 10X system for my other opportunities versus solo ads, that would be what I would do in general without 10X. Okay, but if I had this same opportunity with the price point on the traffic packages, that's how confident I am in Google ads, because we all know that works. We all go to Google and type in what we're looking for, right? Same thing here, but you have over 100,000 people looking for what we're offering, and they're coming to us. Okay, so it's a difference. So let me just show you this platform real quick, and I'm going to show you some of my results and some of our teammate results. Okay, hang on a second. This is a platform you may be familiar with, Udemy, right? I use this. I haven't used this one in a couple months. But right here, they tell you on their site why sales are not guaranteed. Okay? So nobody guarantees sales. It doesn't matter what form of advertising you choose. They can't guarantee you the sales. Okay? So they're saying it on their site here. And he's going to explain here why not. Okay? So check this out. No one can guarantee sales here in Udemy. It is in our TOS. TOS is their terms of services, terms of conditions. Okay? It's in the contract. However, you know, they can guarantee the visitors, how many visitors you're going to get. So it says right here, this is why. You have to make sure you select the right seller so that their audience is a match to the offer. Okay, that you have. Okay, so there's no guarantee in sales in any marketing service. I just wanted to bring that up. But let's look at the price point real quick. Okay, real quick. I'm just going to click someone. Here's someone. I think I've ordered from him before. All right, so this is just a scenario, so I want you to see the prices. So if we went here and we said we wanted 100 clicks. Okay, 100 visitors. You can see I've ordered before. That's why this populates in here. Okay, $43 will get me 100 clicks. That's visitors. One time that email will go out. If we go up, as you can see, as we go up with the clicks, the price goes up. So let's just use that because we have a $60 package. So 63 bucks gets me 150 clicks. Okay, that means it's going to drive people, 150 people, to look at my site. Okay, again, no guarantee that they're going to actually purchase. Whereas we have a $60 package where we own Google Ads. Okay, Google Ads, and the people are looking for us. And we're talking over 100,000 people searching for what we have to offer a month. Okay, and you get an ad. You get one ad, but they have many ads in the rotator once, okay? But there's many ads going out there with the 10x income system, okay? So the visibility would be greater and the chances would be greater with Google Ads versus a one-time email blast. Hope that makes sense to you. So with that being said, let's go check out some results. Hang on. Okay, here we are. This is what comes up. Super checkout every time a sale comes in. If you can look right here, the 20th, there were 2 sales. The 21st, there were 1. The 22nd, there was 1. The 23rd, there was 1. And today, there was 1 at lunchtime. This 23rd came in like 7:30 in the evening. Okay, so far, I have 6 sales that I've made with the 10x income system. Okay, now let's go look at some of our folks in the Facebook group that's crushing this thing. Hang on a second. All right, so we're in the Facebook group. Let me see how many members we. Okay, 555. I think it was 300 and something when I got in just less than a week ago. Okay, so we're growing. So this is one. Congratulations to April. April has made $19,300 in 4 weeks with this system, guys. Sharing this system is nuts. Let's keep going. Let me find some other folks. There was some stuff. It's my post earlier today. Here's a young lady. Congratulations to Lorraine. $2,079 in 3 days. All organic. Okay, see, she's got the super checkout. All organic, meaning she's just sharing it. Like me, I was waiting. I think I just went in the rotator. Today I received the email. So all this time, I just been sharing this with people. Just let them look at the page. Don't try to explain this. Here's another person, Nicole. Literally got 2 sales. One from the main business at the same time. Look at this. Congratulations to Nicole. This gentleman, Noah. He made $594 yesterday, $297 today. He's made what, $11,000 so far in a month. Okay, guys, so people are making money. Let me try to find the one. Hang on a second. Okay, here's one. Arena, I think is how you pronounce the name. Her name, it says, woohoo, talk about making money in your sleep. I woke up to my first 2 traffic sales. Right here. Okay, her first 2 traffic sales by traffic. She bought the package and 2 came in while she was sleeping. Hello. Yes. Congratulations to her. All right, guys, so this is definitely a great opportunity. Think positive. Here's someone. I received my first of many. Patience is key. You see this? She received her first. You see, the patience is key. This is key. So just hang in there. Set up your system and wait for your link. It will be emailed to you. So this young lady made her first sale, and she's telling you patience is key. All right, guys, so definitely look at this opportunity. Go check mine out. Go check the site out at www.besteasyworkincome.com. Grab your system, get your activate your system, get your traffic. Let's go. All right, I will see you guys on the inside. If you have any questions, give me a call. But first, I want you to go opt in. Check out this 9-minute video where she's going to talk about the opportunity. This is what people are seeing, and that's why they're signing up. Okay, this does all the selling and telling for you. So opt in my page, check it out. I do have a few things, other ways I'm going to promote this as well. Some people have reached out to me. I told you about the postcard, and then I have a couple other ways that this is going to be marketed as well, because I'm going to, even though they're doing my marketing, I'm still going to do some other things as I always do. And I'll be happy to share those things with you as well. So until next time, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. I'll see you on the next video. And better yet, I'll see you on the inside of the 10x income system. Have a blessed day.